Hello everyone, we are back with another bonus video for Command Your Brand. Here we are going to show you where to install all of that work that we did in the class, developing some of that language and where to put it in Command. And there's two main places. We're going to go over the first one now. And that first place you want to update after you have started your rebranding journey. I have the answers from the AI video that I just also did for another bonus for the class. If you haven't seen that, definitely check the YouTube page for the bonus content there. But we've produced this information now. I'm going to be using option 2 for a lot of mine that we've produced here. But the first thing we want to do is we want to update our marketing profile. And to get there, we're going to click on our name and come down to settings. And then when this page loads, we're going to come over to the left side of the screen here and find Connect Settings. And the only option there is the marketing profile. This is where you're going to put your headshot if you haven't already. But the logo that you develop, don't worry that it says team. If you don't have a team, that's perfectly fine. The logo that you build, you're going to put right here. That's one of the most important things here is that you get this logo so that when you go onto your website, you will see those logos put onto your website and they're automatic. There it is right there. You can see on my site, if I scroll down to the bottom, there's my headshot that shows up and all this other information that you see in here. If you click on my About Me page here, all of this is pulled in from that marketing profile. And same thing with your KW app. It all pulls in there as well. And so any information that you see in here from your job title, the team name, all of that shows up on the website, on the app, and all those places automatically. You just have to update this section here. And so, for instance, here's that slogan that I mentioned. We can update the slogan that we have here, and we're going to just pull that in and drop it in here. And then the same thing for your About Me. You can take that same block, or actually, let's use number 2. So take that same block and we're going to come over here and replace my bio with that same block of information. You can see down from here, you'll want to make sure that your email is correct, phone number, your website, making sure that is correct as well. This should all be done and inputted for you throughout here. And then I always like to have the ownership statement in here just so that it's available in more parts of Command, from the ads to designs to some of the other places. And so this is a great legal footer to have for your Command for any KW agent. This is a universal legal footer text that can be useful for you. You can also add in some of those little images like fair housing and equal opportunity housing. Those images can always go here as well. We have our social media pieces that these integrate onto your website as well. If you don't put anything in Twitter, then it just doesn't show your Twitter. But you can see right up here in the corner of my site, that's where it puts those connections to your Facebook and your Instagram pieces there. And Google Analytics, if you do have an analytics ID, you can put it in here where it will track parts of your traffic to your KW site inside of the Google tracking ID that you can manage and follow through Google. And the last thing for this video is the save button. You gotta hit the save button. If you don't click on save, none of these changes will be made. Even if you see your logo update, if you don't hit save, it won't actually save that logo and put it onto your website. So make sure you hit save. A big box pops up right after you hit save that lets you know that everything is saved. And that's all it takes to update your images, your information on your website from the parts of the branding class. Stay tuned for the next video where I'm going to show you how to integrate this information into the KW Designs features as well.